Started.
Very good evening, students. Welcome to Jatadhara Educational Technology Program, and this is a coaching classes conducted for NMMS 2024-25. So today we are going to do mental ability, right? So your 50% of your marks is from mental ability. So we should pay little more attention to mental ability sums. All right, let's start with today's class. Your first question is this. You can see here. So three figures are given and what could be the fourth one, right? So in the first figure, the arrow is going up. In the second figure, the arrow is from the top. Third figure, the arrow is towards the right. What could be the fourth one, right? So is it clockwise? Yes, it is clockwise. So what could be the next figure? So being the first question, we'll do it for you. From next question, you can take 30 seconds. So it is D, right? Fine. Because in the first and the third, it has a connection where the arrows are facing anti-clockwise, right? So what is anti-clockwise? Right. So this is anti-clockwise. So if you see here, there is a connection between the first and the third. So it is moving like this. Like that, it will have a connection between the second and the fourth, right? So this will also move like this. So from here, it will move towards down. That is why, right? So from here, it is moving towards this side. All right, let's move on to the next question. What could be the next option? Right? So you can think these questions. I will not say it is very easy, but it's very challenging, right? So we need challenges in life as well as in the problems, isn't it? So it's good that we take up the challenges. Okay, quickly try to answer. By then, let me try these sums. See here, in the first sum, your arrow is facing this side. Then it is going to the left corner in the second one. And in the third one, it is going to this, right? So in the fourth one, where will it go? It has to go towards this side. Everywhere the same arrow is facing. So that you cannot find out, right? So probably with the other things you can find out. With the circle or with the triangle or with the square, right? So here you can see the triangle, you can see the circle, and you can see the square. So these triangle and the circle, in the first figure, it is above the arrow. In the second figure, it is below the arrow. In the third figure, it is left hand side to the arrow. And in the fourth figure, where will it be? That is your question. Okay, students, so I'm sure your 30 seconds is done. It would be facing this side, right? These things will come towards the other side. That is why option A is the correct one. All right, see the next question. In option 1, you have the circle towards the top. In the second one, the circle is inside the triangle. In the third one, again, you are drawing one triangle. So in the fourth one, where will the circle be? Is it option A, option B, option C, or option D? Right? So It is moving towards the anti-clockwise. No doubt about it. Okay. So it is moving towards the anti-clockwise. See, from here, it is moving towards here. From here, it is moving towards here. Next, from here, it has to move towards this side. So somewhere here, right? So your option could be either C or your option could be either D. Clear? So now you need to segregate whether it is C or D. Clear? Fine. So your 30 seconds is done and your answer is C. Because why it is C? Almost one round is completed. Clear? And the triangles are being clearly identified as 4. And this line is missing. See here. This line is missing. That is why option C is correct. All right, let's move to the next question. In the first circle, you have 2 stars. In the second, you have 3. In the third, you have 4. In the fourth, you will have 5. So 5 means what would be the correct answer? It can be either A, it can be either C. That's all. It can either be A or C. But whether it is A or C, we only have to find out. Right? See here. First one, the star is only 2 stars upstairs. Then here it came. Then it came left. Then now it should be right. Isn't it? Right. So let's see. It should be C. Perfect. Clear? See. In the first you have 1, 2. Then third it came. Then left it came. So next it should be right. So here only you should have the flower. So that is why option C is correct. Okay. See the next question. In the first figure, the circle is the circle is drawn. Inside that, the circle is highlighted. Is it clear? In the next figure, whatever is inside the circle is coming as the outside one. In the third one, whatever is inside the circle, that is your square, is coming outside. Clear? Then what should be the fourth one? It should follow the same technique, isn't it? Whereby you should have triangle outside because you have triangle here. So in the next figure, you should have triangle outside. Means your answer could either be B. It should be only B because only in B you have triangle outside. Let's check the answer. Yes, perfect. It is B. All right, students. See, with one stroke, you can find out the answer. If you are very much confident, sir. If you are very much confident with your method of doing. Okay. All right. Now with this, we are moving on to the next question. All right. See the next question. Just a second. Let me adjust. Yeah. Your next question, it says, your highlighted circle is towards the upper. So here, what is that we are doing? We are rotating it in the anti-clockwise. See, this is the direction. Okay. So first it was here. Then it is here. In the third one, it is here. So in the fourth one, where should it be? It should be down, isn't it? So your option must be B. Let's check whether it is correct. Perfect. Can you see? I have drawn it and shown you for your understanding. With this diagram, sure you will understand. Right? See the next question. All right. Your question says, there is a six-sided figure, and in that you have the line towards the top. Next, you have a circle whereby the lines is coming like this, that is clockwise. And in the third figure, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, again 6. But the lines have come towards the down, that is 3. So what could be the next one? It should be circle. Okay. So your answer must be this. So 1, 2, 3. Your next one should be 4 with circle left. Let's see. I'm sure your 30 seconds is done. And let's check with the answer. It's as simple as that. Everywhere it is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everywhere it's six-sided figure. The first one is six-sided one. Third one is six-sided. Second one is a circle. Your fourth one should be a circle. So your answer should be either A or C. But in the second one, we had 2 lines. Third one, we have 4. So the fourth one should be 4. Whereby it should move towards the anti-clockwise. Therefore, your option A should be the correct answer. Let's see. Yes. Clear how answer should be highlighted? It's very simple understanding, isn't it? See the next one. We have a line and a star towards the left. And it is moving towards the anti-clockwise. See, please understand. First, it is here. Okay. Then it is moving towards the anti-clockwise. Again, if you move it, it is coming straight. Right? Right. So, the next should be this, whereby it is like this. It should be this with 4 stars. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 stars, it could either be option B or option C. Right? But option B would be the correct one because of the positioning of this line. Right? Let's see the answer. It is C. Perfect. All right, students. Yes, see the next question. We have a highlighted circle. And above that, you have one small triangle. The third one, empty circle, 2 triangles. Second one. The third one is highlighted circle, 3 triangles. Fourth one should be empty circle with 4 triangles. As simple as that, isn't it? So, your answer should be D. With the fast thinking. Fourth one should be empty circle and triangle. See here, 1, 2, 3. It should be 4 triangle. And that too should be paged. It should be only the vertical column. Sorry, it should be in the horizontal, not vertical, horizontal. So here you have an horizontal and a empty circle. Let's check the answer. It is D. Okay. Right. So if you had opted for D, then your answer is perfect. See the next question. How many sides, by the way? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides. Okay, everywhere 6 sides. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Everywhere 6 sides. The thing is your line. If in the first it was empty. Second it is 2. Third it is 3. Okay, and it is being slightly tilted. So the fourth it should be 4. So where all you have 4, you can just 0, 2, 3, it should be 4. Okay. Yes. Could be C. Yes. Right. Fine. So how this, because when you are tilting it, what happens? This lines will come towards the up. Right. So your answer C is perfect because you need to have 2 more, isn't it? The addition is 2. That is why option C. All right. See the next question. Right. It looks like a plant, right? And whereby the first one you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is also simple only. The first one you have 5. How 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The second one you have 1, 2, 3, 4. The third one you have 1, 2, 3. Fourth one should be 2. Where all you have 2, you see. First of all, where it is being cut. In the first one, right hand side is cut. And in the second one, left hand side is cut. So in the next one, the right hand side will be cut. Right? So positively, your answer should be B. Let's check. It is B. Perfect. All right. Because only the right hand side is cut first. Then only the left hand side. All right. So this is how you choose your correct option. All right, students. So actually, an attempt is being made to make you understand that mental ability is not very difficult. It's easy, provided you know how to find out which one is to be chosen. All right. Fine. Now see the next one. First one you have 1 line. Second you have 2 lines. Third one you have 3 lines. Fourth one should be 4. Clear? See. Let's do it and see. 1, 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So option C could only be the right answer. Why? Because it cannot be A. We have to go only from the top, isn't it? Let's check the answer. Perfect. It is C. Okay. All right. See the next question. We have a swastik symbol whereby you are doing um, you are tilting it in the anti-clockwise. Okay. So when you tilt it towards the anti-clockwise, what happens? These 2 arrows, instead of facing right, it faces up. Right. Next, okay. So you can also have it one thing. See, the first figure that the arrows are like this. Right. Okay. Left, right. So the next the arrow should be like this only. Right. So it should either be option A or it should be option C. It cannot be option B, it cannot be option D. Now our question is to select whether it is A or C. Clear? Because you are going to still tilt it and find out. Okay. So mostly your answer should be A. Perfect. See, you are still more tilting it, whereby your right hand side is going to go to the left hand side and your option is A. All right. See the next question. See how easy this is. Very simple, isn't it? It has some method, right? First one is highlighted, empty. So you are moving clockwise. So, yeah. Down it is empty, highlighted. Next, highlighted, empty. Right? So now what should be the figure be? Like this, right? So when it comes here, this should be highlighted, right? The down should be highlighted. Up should not be highlighted. So the possible answer could be, how is it your A and D are same? So it should either be A, or it should either be B. Okay. Any answer is correct. So A they have highlighted. Even D can be highlighted because both are same. All right, students. Yes. See the next question. Right. So now, one thing you should know that how your triangle is being placed. See now, this is the direction. First, your triangle is coming here. Then it is coming here. So it is going anti-clockwise. Then it is coming here. So next it should come here. Means it should come towards the right hand side. So you are jotting down from 4 options to 2 options. Your answer can be either A or B. The next step, how to find out whether it is A or whether it is B. Right. See here, the highlighted is down. You are moving it clockwise, it is going left. Then it is going up, then it should be right. So this is correct. So option B could be the only choice. Let's check. It is option B. All right, see the next question. I'm sure you all are following with me and understanding the method how to be chosen. Right? Right. Now see here, your next question. Your arrow marks towards the left hand side is 4. Right. You can actually make it to your convenience. Right? See, the triangle is common everywhere. The arrow marks towards the left hand side is 4, towards up is 1, 2, 3. Next, it is moving clockwise. So this becomes 3, right? This becomes 4. This becomes 1, this becomes 2. See, again, it is moving clockwise. This is 2, 3, 4, 1. Is it clear? So, your 1 is coming here, 4 is coming here. Next, 1 is coming here, 4 is coming here. Next, 1 should be towards the left. And down it should be 4. Everywhere it is like that. 1 is towards the left, down is 4. So you should choose something different. Right? How can you choose something different? Right? See here, A is 4, B is 4, C is 4, D is 4. And now you should see how your arrows are facing. In the right hand side, your arrows are facing only towards the right hand side. Clear? So you should choose those where your arrows are being chosen facing right hand side. So it should be either C or D. Right? Okay. So, right? So your 1 is coming here, 2 is coming there. Next, 2 should be here, 1 should be left. Okay. So 2 should be up, then your 1 should be left. Okay. Right. So now it is option C only, because see here, only in C, you can see that 2 arrows are there, 2 arrows are there. And see how the arrows are facing. It is facing only towards left. So here also it should face only towards the left. All right. So that is why your option C is correct. See the next question. This is very simple. Your first arrow is facing up, down, up, down, up, down. Right? Next, down, up, down, up, down. So what is that common that you are finding out here is see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here you have 6. Here you have 5. Here you have 4. Next you will have 3. First one started with up, second one down, third one up. So this should be down, up, down. So where do you have this? Down, up, down. So it should be option D. Yes, it is option D. All right. See the next question. Your first arrow is moving towards the clockwise direction. But when it moves towards the clockwise, your two arrows becoming 3. Next, again clockwise, instead of 3, it is becoming 4. Right? So the next one must be 5. Everywhere it is 5. So now how we can choose which one? Is difficult, isn't it? So here we will see how the pattern is moving. So from here it is moving down. Right? Next, from here it is moving right. So next it should be left. All right, yes. So option D could be the correct answer. See the next question. First figure it is 3. First it is triangle, so it is 3-sided figure. Let me use red because yellow is not visible. First it is 3-sided figure. 1, 2, 3. The second one it is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Third one it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Third one it is 5. So fifth one must be 6th. Let's see which are all 6th. Not D, not B. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it could be C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my God, good competition between A and C. Which one you should see? So you should only choose with the help of the small triangle. See, in the first one it is up, then it is going towards anti-clockwise, then here. So next up. Up means this side. So it should be option C. Right? See the next question. You have the arrow facing right, 2 rights, 1 up. Next, 2 bottom, 1 left. Next, 2 left hand side. So the next one must be 2 right upside. Upside means what? It should be either A or it should be either C. Upside. Okay. So C up. Next left anti-clockwise. Then down. So then it must be here like this. Okay. So it should be, the first arrow should be like this. Then see the second one. See, correctly it is there. Then the arrow should face upwards. All right. Yes. See the next question. A circle with an highlighted small circle is towards the left. Then it is moving towards anti-clockwise. Then it is right. Then it is up. Okay. So your option could be B. First, see here it is going left hand side. Next anti-clockwise. Right. Next it is moving towards the anti-clockwise. So the next thing that it can move towards is like this. Clear? Yes. Let's check the answer. It is C. right? So once again, left, straight, down. Okay. Okay. It cannot be B because the arrows are not having one particular rotation. Okay. So here it is. Uh, First one is towards the right. Second one is straight. Third one is towards the left. What could be the fourth one? This is, we are not confident, isn't it? So it is towards the left. See the next question. We have an highlighted diamond and a circle. Next, the circle is coming inside the highlighted diamond. Okay, next we have a circle and highlighted diamond. Right? So now what could be the next figure? You can take your time in choosing your answer. Just a second. So you can choose. Right. So you can choose your answer. See here, the first, the diamond is highlighted. Right. Next, it is coming towards anti-clockwise. Then it is coming towards this side. Then it has to come towards upstairs. I mean, up. So this side. Right. So where does the diamond come? It is only coming in A. Right. See here. All right. So your option A is the correct one. See the next question. This is also very simple. Your first one is your first one straight line is facing down. Then it is clockwise. Then it is again clockwise. It is 3. So the next should be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So where do you have 1, 2, 3, 4? It is either B or C. Right? Because only B or C has 4 horizontal lines. It should be B because the first line is shorter when compared to the other 3 lines. Let's check with the answer. It is B, correct. See the next question. We have a triangle, circle in the middle, then square, right? And in the next one, triangle is missing. You have a square, circle, plus mark. In the next one, again, triangle is not there. Instead, you have a plus mark. You have a minus. Clear? So, what could be the next option? So, think over it before we could disclose the answer. All right, students, it's very simple. In fact, it's easy. Just you have to follow any one and find out the other. Okay. All right. So, not much time can be taken for this. Let's see. It is option D, right? The square is placed right hand side. The equal to is towards the left hand side. Plus is towards the right hand side. All right. See the next question. So in the first figure, we have a straight line. The second figure, the straight line has another horizontal line. See here, let me draw it and show you. First one is like this. Second one is like this. Third one is left also. What could be the fourth one? Right? How would you find out? Only with the help of the dots. Here, first is nothing. Next 1, 2, third should be 3. So positively 3 means option B could be the only choice. Let's check with the answer. Yes, it is. So it's easy to find out any one. If you choose, you can do it. Okay. See the next one. This you are moving towards the anti-clockwise. Right. So always direction plays an important role. See, in the first figure it is towards down, then here, then it would be here, then it would be down, this side. Okay. So it should be full triangle, not highlighted one. So it should be C or it should be A. Okay. So see this inner line, right? Then little here, then here, next it should be here. This side, it should be this side. So your option C could be the best choice. Yes. See, correctly we have chosen the right answer. You have to see the facing of even the line inside the circle. Okay. See the next one. We have a highlighted circle, then a triangle, then a square. First one, we had only two figures. Only one figure highlighted circle. Second one, highlighted circle with triangle. Third one, highlighted circle, triangle, square. Fourth one should be 4. So you should have 4 figures. Am I right? All right. So let's check which 4 is correct. Everywhere you have only 4, but how this 4 is being arranged, that is what we need to find out. Okay. So D is the best option among the all other 3. All right. See the next one. Actually, sums like this can be done very easily. See here, the first one we have just a second. All right. So see here, in the first one, let me use a pen. Right. See, in the first one, we have like this. Right. Second one, you are drawing a line. Third one, you are drawing a line. Now, what should be the fourth one? You should only draw one line. Am I right? Clear. So this cannot, this is ruled out. It cannot be C. Okay. Right. So probably one more line can be added here. So your possible answer could be A. Right? Instead of adding left hand side, you are adding towards the top. So your option could also be B. But it cannot be C. It cannot be D. Is it clear? Okay. Now, where you are adding is more important. See, first one you have like this. Second one like this. Then here like this. Okay. Right? So, the next option should be like this. It should come down. Right. So, therefore, it's perfect if you choose option A. All right, students. Okay. So, with this, we will end today's session. And I would definitely request you all to subscribe to our YouTube channel and do tell about our classes to your friends, your relatives, and your teachers and everyone so that they can also get benefited. And do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Jatadhara Educational Technology. And we'll meet you tomorrow with another interesting subject. All right. So till then, keep practicing. Thank you for watching.